welcome back, guys. This is the last episode of Corn Harvest 2025. So, last night we got with the big Parker wagon, we moved a bunch of corn over from the cooling bin over to that bin over there. It's full. Now we're getting the wet bin empty so we can pick the last 12 acres of corn. So that's kind of the plan, hoping to get to that later. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm up on top of the dryer today. What happened? The belt burned for the cross auger up top. So we're gonna get this thing replaced so we can finish drying. We're almost done with this load of corn though, so we'll go combine in a little bit, but first we gotta fix that belt that goes, you can see all the rubber. Yep. Beautiful view though, beautiful day. That right there, burned it real nice and thin. The rest of the belt looks good, but yeah, that's junk. Let's go see what we got. And here it comes out to the field for the last round of Harvest 2025. So this is a later day variety, very high test weight stuff. We harvested one round of it the other day. High test weight, very good color, a little wetter because it's later. Stand is very nice on it. By the way, we got the belt fixed on the dryer and I think we got it figured out. So time to finish Harvest 2025. All right, we made it over to there. Wagon load number one. Let's take her to the farm. That wagon's pretty full, so we're gonna take it nice and slow. Beautiful day out. We got the neighbors over there combining. The same neighbors in our neighbor Dustin. They farmed that bean field that you saw back in earlier during soybean harvest, that one that I filmed. They run the case equipment. They're running corn. One load of corn down. Had to wait on the dryer to finish emptying. Now we're back. So you can start the combine up. We'll get this wagon started and keep moving. We're almost there, guys. Almost there. Well, we're getting real close to being done. Shouldn't be too much more. Maybe 1.5 loads left, we'll see. But we're almost there, guys. Almost done with Corn Harvest 2025. Back out to the field. Almost done with Corn Harvest 2025, guys. There's the neighbor's combine. There's the grain cart. Beautiful sunset, beautiful night. You guys really want to know what's crazy about what's going on tonight? So they're harvesting that field over, that's 120 acres. We're harvesting this 12, 13 acres. Here's the funny thing. Today is October 10th. We're harvesting this, they're harvesting that. Same day. Well, if you guys go back to one of my older videos, you'll see that they were planting that field the exact same day and time we were planting this field. And best of all, it was May 10th. May 10th, same day. Both these fields got planted same day on May 10th. Both are getting harvested same day, October 10th. I thought that was a neat coincidence. It's crazy. But it's nice to be getting done. This close, just a little bit left. That is it for combining. Harvest 2025 is done. Now we just got to clean up the equipment. Got to fix some on the corn head. One of the ear saver shields on the side. I need to fix a rivet or a bolt. Something, I think it's a bolt. That must have broke. And then I got to fix the tarp roll bars on this thing. There's some hardware that needs to be fixed. So, see you tomorrow. All right, everyone, it's the next day. Combine is all cleaned up and put away for the year. This wagon is full of dried corn that we took out of the cooling bin so we can get enough room to dry what we picked yesterday. So now we're just finishing drying. And we got rain coming here not too long in a day. Tomorrow night we got rain coming, so we're gonna finish the drying so we can get this dryer cleaned up, put away, and get all the augers and stuff put away. This corn is much wetter, so the dryer's running a lot warmer. What's pretty neat about this motor cart is it's literally just a homemade little two-wheel trailer with a motor. It has a belt drive over to a manual transmission off of like a pickup truck. I think it's probably from the 90s. Running a PTO shaft. It's pretty neat. That's what we're looking like. It's a little dusty and dark, but we're getting up there. Well, there it is. All packed up, cleaned up, and put away. All put away till next year. This is the earliest we've ever finished harvest. Earliest we've ever had the combine cleaned up and put away. This is pretty rare, but you know, last year I think we finished complete harvest stuff. I think about 3 days earlier this year than we did last year. So yeah, the earliest by a few days. So that's pretty much it for that. Next thing we'll be doing is rebaling and tillage. So that'll be starting this next week. Beginning of this next week, which is in a couple days. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.